Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5, respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book Science Chapter 2 Fiber to Fabric Video Part 1. Question number 1. Which of the following is a plant fiber? So flax, so you can see flax is the plant fiber. Flax seed you have seen, and we can just obtain the fiber from it and we can make the fabric. Wool. Wool can be obtained from the animal. You can see there. Silk. Silk is also obtained from the silkworm. So mulberry plant, actually we just feed the mulberry plant to the silkworm and make the silkworm, and silkworm makes the cocoon, and using cocoon we take out the silk fiber. So is a plant fiber? Answer should be A. The first answer will be option A. Question number 2. Which of the following animal does not yield wool? Wool किससे नहीं मिलता है आपको? तो goat, we can get wool from goat. We can get wool from yak also. We can get wool from alpaca also. But we cannot get wool from the buffalo. You can see in the picture, on the buffalo there is no fur available. Okay, and other these animals have the fur, and we just take out this fur and we just make the wool or the fiber from it. Okay, that's why answer will be option B. So second answer is option B. Question number 3. Yak wool is common in hilly region of dash and dash in Tibet and Ladakh. Okay, the third answer will be option B. Question number 4. Two types of fiber obtained from flesh of a sheep is. So, coarse beard hair, yes. Cocoon fiber, it is obtained from silkworm. Fine soft under hair, close to skin, no, it may be plant fiber, or it may be your animal fiber also. This can be the answer. So 1 and 3, it is available in the option C. Acrylic fiber is the mineral fiber. Okay, the fourth answer will be option C. Question number 5. Angora wool is obtained from Angora. Angora is a type of rabbit. Okay, the fifth answer will be B. Fifth answer is option B. Question number 6. Marwari and Patanwari are the breeds of. So Marwari and Patanwari are the breeds of sheep. So question number 6, answer should be B. Okay. Question number 7. Which of the following cannot give woolen fiber? Llama can give the woolen fiber. Alpaca can give the woolen fiber. Moth can't. Actually, it is the insect. Goat can give the woolen fiber. The seventh answer will be option C. Moth can give the silk fiber actually. Question number 8. Woolen clothes keep us warm than cotton clothes. Why? The woolen clothes can keep us warm because they have the greater and bulk and trap more air. Okay, option B will be the answer. 8 answer is option B. Question number 9. Which of the following is the most common variety of silk? The most common variety of silk is the mulberry silk. 19th, the answer is option C. 9th answer, sorry. 10th answer. Sheep rearing refers to rearing of sheep means removing of the fur from the sheep body. Okay, so separating of hairs from the of different texture. No combing of enlarged hair, no washing, removal of flesh. This is should be option D. So 10th answer is option D. Question number 11. Sorting of fleece according to the quality of woolen fiber can be done on the basis of sorting of fleece means if there is the big fleece, it will be kept at different place. There is the small furs are there, so that will be separated from that. So we just separate according to the quality. So basis of fine fiber, yes. Coarse fiber, yes. Long and short fiber, yes. It means all of them. So 11th answer will be option D. Question number 12. Natural silk is obtained from cocoons, which is made up of proteins. So 12 answer will be option C. 13 answer. Which of the following on burning smells like burnt hair? So like burnt hair, so it will be your natural silk. Artificial silk, plastic, LPG, it smells different. Natural silk burns like burnt hair. So 13 answer will be option A. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a plant fiber? Uh, Marijuana is the plant fiber. Silk is the silkworm fiber. Flax fiber, or jute fiber. So 14 answer will be option B. From the flax, we can obtain the linen fiber. Okay. Question number 15. Selecting parent sheep for obtaining special characteristic in their offspring is known as selective breeding. We are just selecting the breed. So 15th answer will be option C. 16. Reeling refers to reeling means just taking out the uh, fiber from the cocoon of the silkworm. So reeling of silkworm, taking out of the silk fiber from the cocoon, yes. Growing, no. Growing mulberry trees, no. Burning of silk, no. Option B. The 16th answer should be option 17. Which of the following breeds of sheep is found in Rajasthan? Lohi, Nali, and Bakharmal. So option D. Lohi and Nali silk obtained in the Rajasthan. The 17th answer will be option D. 18. Fiber obtained from animals are made of mainly. So it is made of proteins. Okay. 18th answer will be option C. 19. Which of the following statement is not correct? Coarse wool is obtained from Marwari. It is correct. Anthrax is the viral disease. No, actually, anthrax is caused in the textile industry. Combing is done before scoring. So no, combing can't be done before scoring. So it is wrong. Bakharwal is found in Jammu and Kashmir. It is true. So 2 and 3 is not correct. Option B. 19 answer will be option B. Question number 20. Which among the following is leading country in production of silk? So China is the leading country of production of the silk. 20 answer will be option B. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.